good, y'all? Welcome back to Mana for the Soul. I'm Nilam.
I'm Ronica.
And I'm Amira.
And today we're making Parmesan garlic spinach. Let's get into it.
I originally had this spinach at this fancy restaurant that I went to with my friends, and I really wanted to recreate it, and I looked up how they made it and then put my own little tweak on it. It's super easy though. It's like making regular spinach, but the Parmesan cheese just adds like a definite elevation factor to it.
It was giving.
Yeah,
absolutely.
We have spinach, of course. That's gonna dwindle down to nothing. We have fresh garlic, of course. We have an onion, a whole onion, our Parmesan cheese.
Non-shredded, so we're gonna shred this, avoid the wood.
Butter, garlic powder, red chili flakes, pepper, and salt. And that's all you need. And it's super quick, so let's get started.
All right.
So we have our handy dandy oven that goes right here. We're gonna put some olive oil in. Just go ahead, I hope it sizzles. Yay!
We like that sound.
Okay, we can press the garlic into here.
Yes, absolutely. I love garlic.
There's nothing like some sauteing onions when it fills up the room in your house.
Yes.
You know, there's actually this old like a marriage book. It's like from back in the day, but it was a wife, and she said, when you are rushing on time to make dinner, just put some onions on saute, so when your husband comes home, he smells that, so he just literally gets comforted by that smell, and he'll wait for your food or something.
Manipulation.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
But she was just saying how the smell of sauteed onions fills up the house and makes anyone feel like, ooh, what's she cooking? Saute that.
You can garlic it as much as you would like. I am a garlic girl.
We do that.
Yes, a lot of garlic. I love garlic, and it's so good for you.
Yeah.
It's good for your heart.
To be honest, like whenever I get like a little bit under the weather, I feels like something's coming, I pop it like a pill,
Yes, me too.
and then it won't even come.
Chase it with some orange juice and watch how you feel.
Yeah, so there's different ways to cook the onion. Sweating it is not necessarily getting it brown.
Yeah,
right.
it's just
But
getting the...
then there's the caramelizing the onion, which
I
will
think
get it
this
brown.
is good, actually.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Would you
perfect.
like to add the spinach?
I actually would.
And let's talk about the benefits of spinach. It's like anti-inflammatory, it's good for your eyes, it's heart healthy.
Add some salt.
It's so good for you.
Yeah, good for your eyes. When I was pregnant, all I wanted was spinach.
Really?
Yeah, spinach and salmon, even though you're not supposed to eat fish. But that's all I wanted.
But it was cooked though, so it's okay.
Yeah, it was. Oh, let's put a little butter in there because we just had oil.
So,
sometimes I'll even put a little bit of water, just a little bit.
Is that good, like a tablespoon?
Yeah.
More.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't want to say more, but.
Yeah. More?
I don't play with butter.
Yeah, a little more.
Like good?
Yeah, that's getting.
Okay. So that's about 3 tablespoons of butter.
What do you guys think is the ultimate comfort food?
I'm gonna say bread again.
Right. I feel like that's like
bread.
something with cheese gives me
I feel
comfort.
like chowder.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah.
chowder is good.
Chowder is good.
This is our garlic powder. We're gonna add some of that.
Nice.
And we don't want to overcook this. That's like, don't walk away from your spinach like at all.
It's already coming down to like one person dish.
Yeah, literally.
It smells so good. And it looks really good.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, and just like that, super fast, super easy.
Perfect side dish.
Yeah.
Smelling good.
Smells so good. And it goes with everything. Like you can have it with some chicken, some vegetables, some
salmon,
some lamb, some salmon, some chicken.
I already said that. Oh.
anything.
It's my fave.
Yeah. And it'll go perfect with our mac and cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Wink, wink.
Sweet and onions. It's giving.
Yeah. Oh my God. That looks so good. And look, we're going to top it off with Parmesan.
Yeah, so.
There you go. We're just going to shave some Parmesan on there. Yeah, fresh shaved Parmesan. Like I'm at the restaurant.
What were you gonna
You
say?
know when the guy comes with the Parmesan?
Oh, yeah.
And stop, I'd be like,
He's waiting.
and he'd be giving me eye contact, and I'd be like,
We're not done here. She's like, it's not good.
There he goes.
oh, that's right.
Okay, let's do
a little
a
dash
chili
of
flake,
this.
which is gonna give us the right amount of spice and color.
That
And
little like,
that's it.
Oh my God. That looks
ready.
so good.
I'm ready.
Yeah, you ready? Like, where's the fork?
So let's try it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
All right, so it's time to taste it. Moment of truth.
Yes, absolutely.
I need to make sure I have a good amount of onion,
Parm,
spinach, parm.
all of it. Look at that bite. Mmm.
Cheers.
Mmm. Okay, you going for seconds. You're like, hold up. Okay. Is it your restaurant? It's your restaurant?
This is what was at the restaurant.
There you
Hey,
go.
you know, like the parm,
That's it, right?
it's him.
Yeah. This is a very healthy dish. And so good
Milan
for
is taking all the cheese.
There's a kick. I like that.
And it sneaks up on you. It's just kind of like, hi, hello. All right, this is it.
This is really good.
Yeah.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yes.
We love you. Tag us if you make it.